best video editing and video making tool, and back in the day, and it is till today. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Down here you may see something that says AI. For top of that option, you have the enhance AI image photo and also the AI painting option here. You can turn your images to anime, scroll across, then also turn these images into Halloween type of pictures. Pretty much the same results that you see here. Some of them you will need pro subscription to use, so do keep that in mind. So the ones that say pro, you're gonna need a pro subscription to use those. So let's say this one here which says anime. You can tap on this one here, and here does pretty much select your image and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I tap on the plus icon here, this is where you go to add your video that you want to edit or anything that you want to edit. And if I tap on the plus icon here, it will ask me if it's a new project, but if you don't have anything in your draft, it won't show this. But we'll just go to the new project where you can select videos and pretty much edit any one of those videos. So if you have drafts or videos that you haven't finished editing, you can always see them here or in your draft section. And let's say you want to delete that edit, you can just tap on the three dots over here, and I can always delete that draft. Or I can go in the draft section and delete it myself. So over here now you have the templates option where you can go and edit video as well. Some of them you will need to get the pro subscription. But if you're going to use any one of these free ones, let's say for example this one here, some of them you're going to need ads to use them, but this one here you can use for completely free. So let me try to see if I can find one that you're going to need ads to use. So if I tap on this one where it says 4 clips, so I need 4 clips to get the results that you're seeing here. So I'm going to tap on it one here. As you can see here, I'm going to need ads to unlock this template, so do keep in mind some of them you're going to need ads to unlock it. So the favorite option, you can add it to your favorite option and also share it with your friends. So to find the favorites that you have added or anything that you have added to your favorite list, just tap on the art icon at the top there and you should see it in your favorite section there. Also, this box icon here is pretty much your draft section. You can check all your drafts over that section there. Also, you can search for anything as it relates to the top edits around the world. The double lyrics edit here. You can use 3 to 9 clips. It tells you how much clips you need to get the same results when using these. So these are the trendy ones on the application right now. So you can go ahead and copy them and use them. However, some of them you may need a pro subscription. If you see the pro at the top or the corner of the video, pretty much will need a pro subscription to use it. So how to get a pro subscription for this application? All you got to do is just tap on the pro at the top here, and this is pretty much the pro subscription page. Here you can get a 7 days free trial if you want to try out their pro subscription features, and it pretty much shows you what to be getting with the pro subscription. And you have a monthly and a lifetime subscription as well. So if you just want to pay one time, then you can go ahead with the lifetime subscription there. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use. The settings feature here, you can turn it to light mode to dark mode. Nothing much for that. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you have the video settings, nothing much for that. So very easy application to use. If I miss anything in the tutorial, please comment below. And we'll see you guys in the next one.